any axe should be. I don't know what it is with the guy who built these axes, but he's a huge barrel-chested man who's a smith. He hammers all day long. But he's got arms like a smith, and he makes his weapons so freaking heavy, but they are unbreakable. And as you're going to hear from the sound of them, they ring for days. All right. So you want to hit in that buzzer for the double axe. I yield.
Oh no.
You have to yield because we need him for shooting on Monday. We've been shooting through the nights for the last 5 days, and now we're switching to daytime. So we're closing down downtown Pontiac for the next 3 days and shooting in downtown Pontiac. So if you want to come by and watch a film being done for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we've got one of the main streets in Pontiac. And they'll be doing some of those fights as well as some flying. We've got our superhero rescues a baby and he slides down. And that's all I can tell you because I signed an NDA. I can't tell you much more about it than what you would see if you were there watching that film. All right? So, any last minute questions before we let you guys come up after watching our final fight? Oh, of course. And this is critically important to me because when people ask how you got started, the summer reading program at the Ferndale Library has always been the top for the summer program. Reading, imagining, the people who pick this up the fastest are the ones who dream sword players, who dream about the heroic adventurers and the fantastical adventures of people who are, we run into the valley waving our sword. Because firing a gun from a distance is not the same at all as the heroic nature of jumping in and saving somebody up close and personal. So we're going to do this final fight for you. You can kind of see them back there warming it up, which is a good thing considering that 90 minutes of sleep is probably insufficient for doing it as well. You guys ready? All right, so shameless plug. Yes, you happen to live within 36 minutes of one of the 3 stunt camps in the nation. There are only 3 stunt camps in the nation. You happen to live near one of them. We do birthday parties. You haven't been to a wedding until the back row has stood up, pulled out swords, and at that moment when the officiant says, if anybody has some objections, we're like, we object! And we pull out our swords and we have kidnapped the bride from the altar, and then the bridesmaids were miraculously our female fighters, and we rescued the bride back. And then the real bridesmaids came out and took over. People were a little confused, like, what? It's girls. All right, you guys ready? Yeah. All right, so this is a little dash in the sound department. Don't forget, all the sounds that you hear in movies, they're all replaced. Okay, we don't need to make grunts. We don't need to make the sounds of the hits like we would on stage. All that's going to be added afterward. So sometimes the fights still seem a little sterile because you're not hearing all of the effects yet. And of course, unfortunately, life doesn't come with a soundtrack, and it should. Because a good heroic soundtrack would really help those late night drives sometimes. All right. ask us more questions when you come up to the table, where you will walk, not run.